Have you ever dreamed of Mongolia? I have. I fulfilled that dream with my dear friend Maxime Leonard. An extraordinary man, strong and courageous. And today, I still dream of it, and perhaps soon, with you. Volume 2 of the France-Vietnam by Motorcycle series is entirely devoted to this extraordinary country. A vast wild land where human beings are merely guests amid infinite nature. Through this book, I recount our motorcycle crossing of Mongolia. It was an exceptional adventure in which roads disappeared and gave way to tracks, sand, rivers, mountains, and endless steppes. Here, there are no signs, no villages, and no gas stations for hundreds of kilometers. Every day is a new expedition. I take you through moments of wonder before landscapes that seem to belong to another world, as well as through the extraordinary challenges we had to face. Motorcycles bogged down in sand, storms, river crossings, breakdowns, nights under a sky filled with millions of stars, and that constant feeling of being alone at the edge of the world. But Mongolia is not only a mechanical or sporting adventure. Above all, it is a human adventure. We met nomadic families of incredible generosity. Without knowing us, they opened the door of their yurt to us and shared their meal, their tea, and their daily life. They reminded us that there are still places where hospitality is natural and where time seems to have stood still. This journey profoundly changed me. It taught me humility, patience, and respect for nature. In Mongolia, one does not always choose the route. Nature, encounters, and unforeseen events guide you. This book is therefore not only the story of a motorcycle journey, it is an invitation to discover one of the last great wild spaces on our planet, to feel that absolute freedom that only Mongolia can offer, and perhaps to awaken in you the same dream that still lives in me today. Welcome to Mongolia, the wonder of the earth. You can find this book on Amazon, and I would be delighted to hear your feedback.